As of March 31st, 2026, the T-Mobile My Account app is generally operational. However, some users are still experiencing intermittent issues like login failures and slow loading. A major outage occurred recently on March 15th, 2026, due to a cloud infrastructure update, but the app has mostly stabilized since then. Check T-Mobile's status page or down detector for real-time updates if you're having problems. Several factors can cause the T-Mobile app to malfunction. These include network instability, especially in congested areas, corrupted app cache, incompatibility with your phone's operating system, like iOS 18 or Android 15, and occasional server-side outages on T-Mobile's end. Third-party apps like VPNs can also interfere with the app's connection to T-Mobile's servers. Outages can be related to software bugs or even cyber attacks. If the T-Mobile app isn't working, start with basic troubleshooting. First, force close the app completely and reopen it. This clears any temporary glitches causing the issue. Next, clear the app's cache in your phone's settings. On Android, go to Apps and Notifications, select the T-Mobile app, and tap Storage to clear cache. On iOS, manage storage and settings. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Updates fix bugs and improve performance. Check the Google Play Store or App Store for updates to versions v12.4.1 on Android or v12.4.2 on iOS. Also, double-check that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the app from working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to confirm. If the simple fixes don't work, investigate further. Try disabling any VPN apps you're using, as they can sometimes disrupt the T-Mobile app's connection. Also, verify that the app has all the necessary permissions in your phone's settings, such as access to mobile data. If you're on a rooted or jailbroken device, that could also cause issues. If you've exhausted all other troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact T-Mobile support. You can reach them through the T-Mobile website or app, via live chat, or by calling their customer service line. Be prepared to provide details about your phone, operating system, app version, and the specific error messages you're seeing. On December 12th, 2024, T-Mobile's app was crippled by a suspected DDoS cyber attack. The attack lasted 8 hours and affected 40 million users nationwide, causing widespread service disruptions. T-Mobile quickly mitigated the issue by redirecting traffic to backup servers, which helped restore service and protect user data during the attack. Following the incident, T-Mobile invested $50 million in cybersecurity upgrades. This led to a 30% reduction in similar incidents throughout 2025 and an overall 40% decrease in breach incidents. This shows T-Mobile's active commitment to improving app stability and security. Telecom apps face 3 times more cyber threats than average, making these investments crucial for protecting millions of users. The future of telecom apps like T-Mobile's involves increased AI integration for personalized support and predictive alerts. Experts predict AI will automate 80% of app troubleshooting by 2027, greatly improving uptime. This includes features like predictive maintenance and automated customer support. T-Mobile is also exploring blockchain-based secure logins for enhanced security. These advancements should lead to a more reliable app experience. T-Mobile app issues can sometimes be regional. For example, a February 2026 issue in New York City was caused by a 5G tower overload during peak hours. In urban areas during peak times, network congestion can lead to app problems like slow loading or login failures. These graphs illustrate how network response time spikes during congestion periods, with different buffer sizes affecting the duration and severity. T-Mobile is working to enhance load balancing algorithms to address these challenges.